Hello YouTube, what's up? This is Dhruva Mundodi and you're watching my channel all about RE Bullet. So guys, this is my first motor vlogging setup and this will be my first motovlogging video. So actually I'm not using a GoPro or some action camera, but instead I'm using a mobile camera to record from my helmet. So I have ordered a helmet holder from banggood.com, which I am using it right now, and this is my first trial video, so I'm not sure how the video comes. So today I'm going to my nearest town, Sulya. It's a taluk headquarters. I'm on my way from home to the nearest town. I have got some work in my Thunderbird. As you can see here, there is a little bit of oil leak from the oil pump area, so I have to get it repaired, and then I have to fix a pillion handle grab rail. So I have got some other small works to be done, so let's start our journey. Okay, I'm not sure how stable the video will be, but let's see what happens. Alright, I'm not using any sort of external internal mic inside the helmet, as I'm using an open face helmet. I'm not able to use that, but I hope the video will be clear enough and my voice is audible. I hope so. I haven't checked it so far. This is the first time I'm checking it. Let's see what happens. So guys, as you can see, this is rural India. So I have to travel somewhat around 2.5 to 3 kilometers just to get a proper pavement road or a proper dharma road. It's completely mud road. Definitely we have to off-road if we want to reach our nearest town. We have almost connected the main road, but again it's a mud road. So much of dust. The environment is very dusty. I feel lucky in case there is no vehicles when I cross this road, but unluckily today there are so many vehicles on the road. Here they are constructing a bridge. Let's see the people's reaction when they see a mobile camera setup on my helmet. I can see people staring at me. Guys, this is a village. People are not so modernized, or I can say they have no exposure. So I guess there will be lots of people who will stare at me seeing at my camera setup. And that too, since it's a mobile, it's much bigger than a GoPro. Like one of my brother He has got a cool looking RX 100 and he has got a Suzuki Shogun. I want to make a motor vlogging on his vehicles. Let's see. When time permits, I'll definitely make a video on his cool looking bikes and I'll upload it. RX has a cult following. There are lots of RX 100s in my village. We're almost here. Now we have reached Subramania Madikeri highway. So let's begin. Oh, this is me. now my tires are brand new. I don't think I have to worry about my bike getting slipped. But sometimes luck matters. Bad luck can bring you misfortune. Almost reached my destination. As I said, I wanted to visit my workshop. So this is my workshop. So that's it for today. So see you guys. Like my video, please like and please hit the subscribe button and please support me, guys. This is my first motor vlogging, so please subscribe to my channel and please like my videos. Thank you guys. Dhruva Mundodi, all about RE Bullet, signing off.